Fashionista friends, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these long goddess locks, so stay tuned and keep watching. The hair I'm using is the Femi Collection Marley hair in the color M4 over 30 and the Freetress Braid Deep Twist 22 inches TP 4 over 30. So what I've been doing is first moisturize my little section of hair. Let me just put some more on it real quick. And then I'm just taking some Design Essentials Edge Control. And putting it at the roots. And for parting, all of my parting throughout the entire head is freestyle parting. So no straight box parts or anything like that, because I really didn't want a uniform part for this look. And I was trying to save time anyway. So yeah, all of my parts are all kinds of ways in here. But anywho, so I'm just taking a piece of the Marley hair, which comes already like in little strings like this, and a piece of the Freetress hair, which after breaking it away from the bundle, which is like this, is pretty stringy like that. So what I'm doing is taking some mousse. The mousse I have, or actually this is like foaming wrap lotion. Use that or some mousse or something. And I've just been, putting a little on here just to get the curls to get back popping. So I'm just going to combine the two, the Marley hair and the Freetress braiding hair, and start to attach it to my hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to attach it as a braid, and I'm going to use my real hair as the third piece for the braid and just start to braid that way. Then once I braid just a little bit, like enough to have it attached, I'm gonna take my real hair, split it in two for each side of with the braiding hair, and start to twist all the way down. Instead of braiding all the way down, I found this to be a little easier just because it's quicker. Like so. And I start with a braid at the root because I really don't know how to attach, like starting with a twist at the root, so I don't have time for that to figure it out. I'll just start with my little braid and then start the twist. So that's why I do that. So I'm just going to take another piece of the Marley hair and start to wrap it around. So I'm going to place it like this where a little piece is hanging, and hold that with the braid and start to wrap it around while I'm holding it. Around the roots a few times, probably at least like 5 times, and then I start to wrap down. covering enough that I want, so I'm just going to take another piece and add it to it. I'm just gonna cut it in half because I don't need the whole thing. Hold some of the hair and then start just wrapping around. Okay, so that's the ends. So of course I stopped above, or I over twisted, so I'm just gonna untwist my ends and separate the curly hair from the Marley hair, like so. And I'm just going to cut off just the excess Marley hair. Like so. So now what I do is I kind of pull the ends down a little bit just so that it's like going to be a smooth transition. Then I take my lighter and burn the ends and roll it together so that now the ends are mended together like so. And that's my method for the goddess lock itself part. Now because I'm going for more of a, I guess, a bohemian goddess lock look, or more of a like carefree, just messy type of look, not super messy but like kind of cute messy type of look, I'm gonna add some of these extra pieces of Freetress hair just in. I'm not gonna add a whole lot. I'll probably just maybe do like 3 because I don't want like too much extra hair or whatever, but I'm just gonna add a few. So I've already like separated one, and I think I'm gonna put it like maybe over here somewhere, right there, probably right there. So I'm gonna attach it using my crochet hook. Which fell on the floor. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle, stick it straight through a lock, attach my piece of hair to the hook, and then close the hook and pull it through. So now I have this loop here. I have this loop here, and I'm just going to take my goddess lock and pull it through the hole. And then just pull the strings, the extra hair, so that it's just looped in there. Like so. But I don't want that at the top, so let me move it around so that it's under, like that. Last but not least, I'm going to take some more of this foamy wrap lotion and apply it to all of my curly ends, just because a lot of them got straggly during the process of me installing them, just to smooth out these ends. And then I'm going to trim the hair, and that's it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.